There is a particular kind of strength that makes no sound. It is the endurance of the deep-rooted tree, which bends in the storm but does not announce its struggle to the forest. This is quiet endurance, a force that operates beneath the surface of our loud, demanding world. In an age where every trial is often broadcast, every hardship shared for validation, the ones who endure in silence possess a rare and profound power. They are not seeking applause or sympathy. Their journey is an internal one, a private dialogue between their will and their circumstances. They understand that the most significant battles are often fought in the quiet chambers of the heart, far from the public eye. This quiet perseverance cultivates an unusual depth of character. It forges a spirit that is self-reliant, patient, and remarkably resilient. Like a blade tempered by fire and pressure, not by words, their character is strengthened through unspoken challenges. This is not about suppression or denial. It is about a conscious choice to process, to grow, and to overcome internally. The strength built this way is not brittle or performative. It is flexible, enduring, and deeply authentic because it doesn't depend on external praise for its existence. It is a quiet confidence that emanates from a well of inner fortitude. A peace that comes from knowing you can rely on yourself when the world is not watching. So today, let us honor this quiet endurance. Let us recognize it in the steady gaze of a friend, the patient hands of a craftsman, or the silent resolve of a stranger. And perhaps, let us try to cultivate it within ourselves. To face a challenge not with a declaration, but with a quiet, determined breath. To find our strength not in the noise we make, but in the stillness we hold.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.